Hi, welcome to my channel Takniki Gyan Guru. Today we will learn how to integrate ChatGPT in Microsoft Excel. So once we integrate, then we'll see how to utilize or use the features like translate the content and ask anything using the chatbot, extract data within some text, and the format is something like if you want to convert some date format or the currency, like you have different countries name and you want to get some currency of those countries, then we can use the format. So we'll do that. Let's move. So inside the Excel, we need to enable ChatGPT for Excel features, right? How we can enable this? We have to add ChatGPT for Excel using add-ins. So I'll show you how we can enable this ChatGPT for Excel features. So once we add it, we need to log into the Microsoft account because this chat GPT is being used as an Microsoft OpenAI. And once we log in, uh, we have to use chat GPT AI formulas to translate or ask anything the the chat GPT or extract all the formulas. We have more formulas we'll talk about later videos. For now, the scope is to show you a demo on translate chatbot extract and format. So, how we can use this formula? We have some of the AI dot translate. So using this formula, we can translate our text. And chatbot, we are also having the formula, the extract formula, and the format formula. So these four formula we will discuss in the demo section. Apart from this, we the here we will use ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo. It is free for 50 calls, right? And if 50 calls is over, then you have to subscribe uh, for more calls, right? Or if you want to use ChatGPT 4.0, then also you have to subscribe for that, and for that you have to pay some more cost. And here the chat gpt is being used as in Microsoft OpenAI. So this is time to demo. Let's move to the demo and see how we can use these formulas. So I am in now in Excel sheet. So how we can use this chat gpt? Let's click on add-on. Add-on will be in the home tab. You will find add-on the last right corner. Click on add-on, and here there are a lot of options are available, but we need to use this chat gpt for Excel. So we have to add this feature from here. So I have already logged in, so it will not ask me to log in again, but for you have to log in, right? So I have already used this is the free trial. I have already used 20 AI calls. um, you will have 50 AI calls and chat GPT 3.5 turbo 0125, right? So you need to upgrade your plan if you over with this 30 AI calls, right? Or if you want to use some ChatGPT 4.2 or some different version of this one, right? Different model. You can also, if you want to see some AI functions, examples, documentation, you can click on this. I will show you. This is the home page. This is the plan. You can see the plan. $3 per month. OpenAI credits. Access ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo. Access ChatGPT 4 ChatGPT 4 as well. $4.99 per month, right? A starter. So you can purchase this plan also, right? And the next one is, this is caching is enabled, right? This is ChatGPT 4. You can change 4 and 4 turbo also. So I'm using this one, that's fine. And this is the email. So I don't want to go to here. So now let's, once this is enabled, right, ChatGPT comes here and here, right, after this add-in. That means the ChatGPT for Excel AI is enabled for your Excel. Now you can use this one, right? So how we can use, so suppose I have already created four different sheets, four tabs. So let's see. First one is the format. So how we can use the format, right? So you can say, you can click at any of the cells, like the in this value column. You can see we have the country name like Brazil real, and Bulgaria lev, Australian dollar, USA dollar, or Hungarian forint. So these are the currency of these country, right? So I want to see the currency, how the currency uh, get the currency of these countries, right? So how we can do that? We can use equals to AI. uh, AI is not coming. Yeah, now it's coming. Equals to AI. Now we need to use the format, right? This one. And the value is this. My value is A5 and comma format. I would say ISO. Okay, put it here. ISO currency. Okay, this was something else, I guess. Right now, delete this one. Okay, now you can say again equals to AI dot format, and value is this, comma, and something ISO currency. Now you can see ISO currency is this, and same formula you can put here also. Sorry, this is A6, right? 6. Now you see Australian dollar, and you can US dollar and forint. So this way you can format, or get the currency. You can format your currency from the country, right? So how you can do this? You can use this formula AI dot format, and you have to give the value of this format and the what format you want, the currency and date format, whatever, right? This way you can change your format. So next one is the translate. I have already given the translate, like uh, you know this is my text. Like I have a small application to translate from one language to another, French, and the language is French, and this is the output. So how you use it? AI dot translate C4 is this one, and C um, D4 is French. So uh, your input and your language. So let me give you one more example. Mm, let's say I can speak in English. Okay, now I want to convert this into like German. Okay. Now let's say equals to here equals to uh, AI dot translate, right? I clicking this comma this, right? This is the input, this is the language, right? And close this one, and it is getting data. This is the German, right? So this way you can translate your text. This is the small text, right? You have a requirement of lot of text to be converted or translated to different language. You can do that. Third one is like the extract. Like I am saying I'm staying in India and my number is this, so I want to extract the mobile numbers, right? Phone numbers. So this is my text. This is the extract, right? What you want to extract from the text, and this is the output. So how we can do this? Like AI dot extract C5. C5 is this the where the text, and D5 is what you want to extract, right? Let's for example. Um, I live in India, right? I want to extract country, right? So how we can do this? Equals to AI dot um, extract. Which one to I want to extract? I'm extract from here, comma, and the extract value is this. Close, and now it is getting data like India, right? Extract the country from this text. This is done. Now we move to the next one, chatbot, right? So how we can use the chatbot? Like I define like my task is write an Facebook post about my new car, Audi car, right? And let's say it is Pune, Pune India, and 50 words is okay, right? So how we can extract? Like here I just say AI dot ask. I'm asking from chatbot like AI dot ask A4. From here A4 to B6, right? All this text will be as an input, like the task, the destination, and length. Based on this data, the output will be there. Like excited to announce my new Audi in Pune, India. From its sleek design to powerful performance, this car is dream come true, right? Let's change this text, right? I want to write a Facebook post about about my birthday celebration in Karnataka. Okay, let's see what's and okay. Feeling blessed to celebrate my birthday in the beautiful state of Karnataka, India. From exploring ancient template to indulging in delicious local cuisine, this trip has been unforgettable. So this way you can create your own content, right? So you can give some input, and based on your content it will give you some output, right? So you can create some your post or your some content on your own choice, right? So this way, and you can see my calls already, 13 calls already over. So this way we can create, like, so someone from you have a lot of different requirement, right? So this way you can use, if you are using a lot of in Excel, you can automate this process. You don't need to go to the browsers and do something and then come back here. So it will save your time, right, directly from your Excel. So let's move to the slide. Now we have seen the demo, how to translate, ask anything from the chatbot, X-written format in Excel sheet. So this will end to our video. If you have any question queries, don't hesitate to ask. Comment me. We will definitely come back with some solutions. And if you really like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also comment if you have any question and query. Thank you and bye.